Christmas is over, the lights have stopped blinking, and so have most people's New Year's resolutions. The holidays had their fun, and now it's time to grab 2026 by the and make it your no more, oh, I'll start next week or right after the new year. It's after the new year. Now is the time. We start now. Lace up your boots and kick 2026 in the rear starting today. You're not here to ease into anything. That's not what successful people do. You're here to blitzkrieg 2026 and take it by surprise and show the market you're a problem. This year, you don't have time for weak behavior. You know the slogan, if not now, when? If not you, who? And I think I hear you trying to think about where that quote came from. Don't get distracted by that. Focus. People who are successful are focused and disciplined and don't get distracted. I'm not going to wish you a happy 2026 because success has nothing to do with wishing. It comes from making it happen. So I'm going to help you make it happen. I'm going to personally coach you, personally mentor you. That means I'm not just going to give you a manual. I'm not just going to give you some videos. With this new program, I'm going to work with you personally. You and I together. Oh yeah. Absolutely. You'll get the exact proprietary indicators that I use. You'll get the exact proprietary algos that I use to scan the market to find the huge opportunities every day. But beyond that, I'm also going to be mentoring you and coaching you and giving you feedback. It's not like a manual or a video where it's one-way communication. No, this is going to be two-way communication between you and me, so you get feedback. And with this program, you cannot hide. You need to be held accountable. Everybody who achieves something great in life is held accountable. And so you're going to be accountable to me. Are you willing to do that? That's up to you. I can't make you do that. But I'm going to check in with you every single week and make sure that you're following through. You're going to give me your trades. You're going to show me the trades you took. I'm going to review them with you and give you feedback. And we'll keep revising until you get everything exactly 100% right. And of course, all this will be happening in real time. We'll actually do trading together in the market right now as it's happening for 16 weeks of feedback loops to help you perform just like an athlete, but in the markets. And you know, there's a saying that says you will only make as much money and your account will only be as big as you are. And what that means is personal growth. So that's right. Trading isn't just about indicators and studying charts and learning price patterns. It's about personal growth. So I'm including my own personal growth program that I created, that I have used to become the kind of person that can be successful in trading. And I'm going to put you through that program as well. So when you come out of this program, not only will you be a bigger trader, you'll be a bigger and better person as well. An empowered person. Now listen, this isn't for everybody. In fact, it's not even for most people. Maybe 1% of you out there actually qualify for this because as you hear me talking, this is not for the weak. This is not for the lazy. This is for people who are willing to step up and say, yeah, I'm willing to be accountable. I will be accountable and I will make this happen. I will not make excuses. You can either make money or you can make excuses, but you can't make both. So if you're ready, and you say, yep, 2026 is my year. This is the year I'm going to be successful or more successful as a trader. I'm willing to work harder than most people out there. And so that I can make more than most people out there, then go ahead, apply. And again, not everyone's accepted, but go ahead and apply. And we'll have you talk to one of our people on our team. And together you can decide if this is for you.